Hi, this is Jill, and I was going to do an unboxing of my new Foxy Fix Micro that I received yesterday. This is the Micro Botanical Iris Couture from Foxy Fix. It is a TN that I ordered around the end of June, on July 20th, and I received it yesterday, which was August the 13th. So it took a little while, but it's well worth the wait. They sent it with in a very lovely box, came in its own little dust bag, came with a sample of the sugar icing leather, and the first thing I noticed when I opened the box was the smell of the leather. It was just awesome. This micro is, like I said, new. It's one that I ordered specifically for myself. All of my other TNs that I've purchased in the past have been used, except for a Speckled Farms micro that I do have that I purchased new. But this is one that I specifically ordered. The color, the stitching, the closure band, the pockets on the inside. This was something that I'd been wanting for a while, and I finally went ahead and placed the order, and I was very happy with what I received. You can see when I take it out of this little dust bag that it came in, the color is just amazing. It's a purpley pinkish color, very lovely. The leather is very smooth. It's just a beautiful item, and like I said, the smell of the leather is just awesome. And once I get it out of this little dust bag, you will see that, like I said, it has the purple stitching on it, a purple closure band. On the inside, it has two secretarial pockets, one on each side, and comes with a jump band also, and it came with 4 bands already threaded through, and it does have the reinforced spine, and it does have the stitching all around. It's just a well-made product, and I can't wait to get this set up, and I will probably be doing a video as soon as I get it set up too, so you can see how I've put everything in there and how it looks with all of my little doodads attached to it. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and look for a future video with the setup. Talk to you later.